Hey guys, this is Emanuel Satie, and today I'm gonna show you some kick and bass mixdown tips. A good starting point is to always keep the bass line around -3 decibel under the kick drum. The second thing I like to do is I like to use a resonant low cut filter on the kick drum. My third tip, I don't like to use classic compressors on my kick and bass line. So what I do is I just put a limiter . Okay, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my 3 little tips and they were helpful, and yeah, good luck trying them out.